and I wanted to share a little bit more about why we connect with the body in sophrology. We literally spend a lot of time in our head, as you know, and we tend to only listen to the body for when it's painful, when it sends an alarm, or sometimes we ignore those signs and symptoms that we have for such a long time because we are too disconnected from these signals from the body. So allowing us to practice those simple breathing and activation of different parts of the body with sophrology allows us to create a little bit more awareness around the presence of the body in daily life. What we are aiming for with this exercise, and that comes naturally through the practice of sophrology with the repetition of specific exercises that have been created by Alfonso Caicedo. Some of them are inspired from yoga, as you have seen or you will discover. They are here to really increase this connection with the body. So, let's practice and let's see what comes. What we want to be able to do is in daily life to notice when the shoulders are like this in front of the computer, where we stop breathing whilst we concentrate, or when we have a rush of adrenaline because we feel perhaps angry and we usually don't listen to the sensation of anger or this emotion of sadness. So being more in contact with what we feel is an essential part of self-development, because if you don't know how you feel and you're unable to connect to what is important in the moment, it's very unlikely that you are going to be able to direct yourself in life in the most positive way, share your needs with people around you, or set healthy boundaries for example, for when you need to rest, or when you need a pause, or when you need more support. So I hope this all makes sense, and enjoy the practice. I will meet again soon.